Meaning of cynicism. Cynicism. Cynicism.
Cynicism. Cynicism. Cynicism is a belief that people are motivated purely by self-interest, and that they are untrustworthy and dishonest. It is a deep mistrust of others' intentions and motives, and a general sense of negativity towards the world and society. Cynics often believe that acts of kindness or generosity are motivated by ulterior motives, rather than genuine concern for others. This perspective can lead to a lack of faith in humanity and a tendency to be critical or dismissive of others' efforts.